so I'm gonna get the trash in there. Yeah, we did. Yeah, some of that run see right there. Well, let's get on that side. All day to get the box out in. There she go, right now. There's another rock.
A lot of stuff. It could be a lot of stuff in court if you got a camera.
Damn, bro.
That'll make your daughter's job a lot easier on her.
Fill that shovel with dirt. You scared to put some dirt on it? Oh, yeah. Line could be there. I'll be jacking up. Tucker way down there.
Oh, so deep.
Tucker did this when they put this parking lot in here. Yep, that's who did it.
Oh, it's like that.
A block. They did it. Throw your dirt on the back. The dirt falling back in the ditch. Push the dirt on the back. Keep falling in the ditch. Yeah. We have to wait a couple hours for the water. Put it off right.
That one ain't just like, so it just ain't gonna work no more.
If you wait and see, you'll find out. Cameraman. Ah. I want to get this valve up too. Go ahead and cut the water off like that. Did you try to turn it off? You get the nipple?
Like no nipple. So that look like more like a nipple than this look like.
Go get it then. When you go to the plumbing house, you ask for a dick.
I asked for what it's called in the plumbing book.
Dick on the shelf.
I call it what they call it when they order. Dirt getting in.
A good plumber always need 2 pair of channel locks. Always need 2 pair of channel locks. Go in and turn the water off and turn it on backwards, say it's leaking. Cut off valve, you always turn it clockwise, not counterclockwise. Ah! No shit. That's the reason you don't forget the paper towel. Don't know what a nipple is, all you know what a bird is.
You don't know
what that is.
I know the difference between a nipple and a dick now.
Don't know the difference.
On the right side, what size you need? 3/4?
You do know what bubble look like.
Come on. I brought the whole book.
I forgot to need a little red on it.
Ooh.
Nigga. I'm gonna have to redo all this here. What time is it? You got the time?
Yeah.
Let's see, PVC cutter. We got to redo that right there. How can I make clockwise is? Clock, do the clock go left?
Yeah.
Well, you got a bit of turn to the left then. Only thing left, turn left, is a commode house. Before you put your hand. Which need that. You got the ring remover, get that off. You got the ring remover?
Yeah.